Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 17th, and we are going to do the Palantir video we did not do on Friday. So let's just go. Palantir was up 14 cents, $9.04, up 1.57%. So let's look at our upward channel that Palantir is in. So Palantir is into this channel right here. And now we are coming back down to the support. Support seems to be holding for now. We have a long wick at the bottom here, a small wick at the top. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So look at this. On the 1 hour chart, this is looking quite nice. We opened above $9, then tried to go higher, then we're squished down quite low, 865. And then we started our climb up. Look at this, 99999. And now we are at the perfect juncture. So there's this downward resistance. So the big thing to check on Monday is, are we going to break this or are we going to come back down and continue this down channel? This is what we need to check on Monday and then act accordingly. Act accordingly is that if you want to get in, you can get in if you want to, either long or short. Coming back on the daily chart, we lost stochastic over 60, but that's okay because we are still above support. So supports and resistance lines are more important than stochastic. We should not panic yet. If you hold some Palantir, then if we break that resistance, then you might have to think twice about holding that. We have just broken over bearish for MACD, and everything else is still in the red. So unless we bounce and break this downward resistance, there's not much to do here. If we break support, then that might means that there's a short opportunity hidden somewhere. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate links. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.